How to post a story on TikTok. This tutorial shows you how to share stories that disappear after 24 hours on TikTok for Android. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. Following that, you'll see the camera interface with recording options. Now, look at the bottom of the screen for the camera mode options. Swipe left through the options until you see Story. Tap on Story to switch to Story mode. Moving forward, you can either record a new video or upload from your gallery. Tap and hold the red record button to start recording your story. Release the button when you're done recording. Afterwards, you can add effects, text, or stickers to your story. Tap on the text icon to add captions or messages. Tap on the sticker icon to add fun elements to your story. You can also add filters by swiping through the filter options. Once you're satisfied with your story, tap the check mark or Next. Now you'll see the story posting screen. Add a description if you want, though it's optional for stories. Look for the Post to Story button or Story option. Make sure Story is selected instead of regular post. Tap Post to share your story on TikTok. Your story is now live and will be visible to your followers for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the story will automatically disappear. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you post a story on TikTok, give it a like, subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.